fact that the bottles are like stackable as well for the shampoos.
Yeah, I think it's kind of like their eco-friendly way of transporting them so that they can stack together nicely
so
and
kind of stack up.
lower storage space, really.
Yeah, and they've got flowers in them. They're so pretty.
Like suspended in the formula.
Yes. And actually, it goes
Smells
around the
really
side.
nice.
Really nice.
Oh yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, there's 3 different shampoos, isn't there?
Yes.
I believe so.
For different hair types.
Yes.
And then there's a couple of conditioners and a mask too.
They're free from silicone for the natural hair feel.
Well, this one's 99% naturally derived ingredients. So I think all of them are like 96.
Yeah. Yes, actually, 80%, 8% and 96%.
Oh.
Really like those.
Yeah,
really
nice.
looking forward to those.
And there's some bits from Pureology here as well.
Oh, let's have a look at these.
These styling products, I think. I quite like the packaging of these.
Yeah, they're really funky.
cute.
Really pretty. We've
Really
got
nice.
a Shine Bright Taming Serum.
And a Beach Waves sugar spray.
Oh, I
as
love
well.
a Beach Wave sugar spray.
And these are 100% vegan, so.
Oh yes.
So if your hair's a bit flat, as mine probably is still, and I just, can spritz a bit to get more of a wave like Daisy is rocking here.
Thanks.
And they've got the anti-fade complex as well.
I think the Style and Protect, it's a new kind of range from Pureology. And this one is a Shine Bright Taming Serum. So I guess it's quite good for summer when frizzy hair is
I always need stuff like that on the edge.
everywhere.
Yeah.
I really think... Oh, that's a very nice consistency. And that smell.
Oh, yeah, that smells
good.
If my hair could smell like that every day.
That's lovely.
Love that.
Yeah.
Good one for the natural hair care.
Oh, what have we got? Shall I go for these
Oh,
two
yeah.
now? The Willida Beauty Farms.
Thank you. So this is the Tinted Day Cream in Nude.
And we've got bronze here.
Yeah, so I think these are good for blending. If you want to get like a kind of bespoke shade with them, you can kind of mix the two together.
So they're a 5-in-1 moisturiser with mineral pigments, all skin types.
Oh, I don't want to put too much.
This one, obviously this one's a bit darker, but then you could sort of blend it in with, you could blend it in with a moisturiser, couldn't you? Or
moisturiser, foundation. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Just to give a bit of warmth, I guess, with the bronzing
definitely.
one. So this nude one, this is quite nice. This is very nice texture.
Radiant, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very hydrating
It's
too.
the light.
Yeah.
It's nice and glowy.
Yeah. Actually, even the bronze one is a bit here.
It's got quite a nice scent as well.
Oh yeah, it's very natural in its smell, which it kind of all Willida is, isn't it?
Yes.
It smells like it's doing good for your skin.
Yeah, so certified natural facial care. Yeah.
Yeah, and this one, I don't know about that one, but this one's got cucumber, iris extract, so lots of like nice natural goodness in it as well.
Yeah, natural essential oils.
And it kind of like that settled into my skin really nicely.
You could even sort of go down onto your neck, and so definitely a good one.
Nice.
Let's pick that one up. Should we move on to Dermalogica?
Yes. So this is the new Biolumin C serum, so brightening vitamin C serum. So this is from the Age Smart range.
And we sent
some
samples.
That.
Yes, we sent some samples out, didn't we?
Yeah, we sent some samples out. People kind of requested them on social media, and we popped some samples in the post. So we've got some people kind of trialing the product now. But yeah, it says helps dramatically reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I guess good kind of wrinkle prevention as well.
Nice anti-aging product. I do love anything that's kind of a vitamin C, AHA,
really brightening.
Serum, really nice, but always do remember to wear your SPF after.
Yeah, very true.
But yeah, I really like that.
I like the little
and it's kind of definitely easy to apply in the evenings. And so you're not using so much. I mean, it's quite an expensive product. So you want to make sure that you're using, the right amount and you're not putting too much onto your skin.
Yes, works with the skin's own defences to brighten and firm. So a really good one there.
Cute little packaging.
Nice.
Cute.
Thank you. Right then, so I'm going to choose to go through these. These are really nice.
I really like this brand in general.
Yeah.
Like I use their concealer pretty much.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah, I really like it. It's really pigmented.
I get mine out the box.
No.
This one.
What shade have you got?
Uplifting nude.
Oh. So these.
We've got warm peach. Illuminating. Illuminating eye primer.
Moonlight lavender.
Oh, nice.
So transform your eyes from dull to radiant.
Oh my word, that is a glow.
Yeah, this one's really glowy as well.
So it can be used on the lid or under the eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That really nice for an inner corner highlight of the eyes.
Yeah.
Really lovely.
This sort of blends down to a really nice, like, everyday kind of
I
colour as
haven't
well.
blended mine actually very well there. Put a bit much on for the eye.
Yeah, it's really nice and radiant.
Yeah, I like those. And I really like the kind of small applicator.
Yeah, so
you're not overusing
Yes.
and it's not going to go everywhere.
No, cute, nice little package. Always
I
good
imagine
for a nice
using
little
that as
present
like
as well.
just a highlighter as well.
Definitely.
And
Yeah, very nice.
Oh,
Thank
you.
There we go. I love the packaging of
Yeah, I
these.
do.
Yeah, it's
so
really
sweet.
nice.
So this is like a little luxury soap tin.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect for a little gift.
Yeah,
really, isn't
definitely.
it? I'll give it a smell.
Oh, that is so
I love this
so
range.
lovely.
You can really smell the lime, can't you, as well?
I think, because I love the Scottish Fine Soaps Olay range. But that is just, it's something
Really
so different,
summery.
isn't it? Yeah.
It's the kind of thing as well, when you're done with the soap, you can just keep the tin to, I don't know, keep like hair grips or anything else.
Yeah.
Oh, I definitely need something
Yeah,
like that.
I know, they go
Find them everywhere.
So this is luxurious gift set. Body wash, body butter, hand and nail cream and luxury soap. Perfect little gift.
Yeah.
Are we ready?
It's stuck down at the side.
Yeah, it is.
Right. Slow reveal.
Slow reveal. Ready?
Oh,
Oh, look at that.
That's really sweet.
That's so nice. Pop that round the right way.
Oh, it smells divine.
I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can actually smell it
when you
through
lift
the
lid,
packaging.
it's just like
That's such a nice gift for someone.
And so there's body butter.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet that'll be nice after a shower. Hand and nail cream.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Love a bit of hand and nail cream.
And body wash. That's quite a good size to
That's
take away with
really
you
good
too,
size.
isn't it? And then a mini soap.
it's really
So
Oh,
there's
I love
75ml these tubes.
I feel like that's the kind of thing you put in, like, if you have like a guest bathroom and people
Yes.
want to stay, you could just have that, like.
Or a short break.
Yeah.
Still go in your hand luggage.
Yeah, it's hand luggage
Yeah.
size, isn't
Yeah.
it? So you can put all those in.
Perfect.
Oh, this print is just so cute
Really
as well,
nice.
isn't it? Next, we've got Sebastian Twisted.
Nice.
So this is a new range for curly hair.
Yeah, detangles curls.
There's that. You've got the mask. This is the
Got
shampoo.
conditioner.
Yeah, elastic treatment for
Mm.
curls. Ooh, that smells really nice.
Ooh, I like that. That's
That's
it's
lovely.
kind of subtle, but
Really nice.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a really like nice thick mask as well. Like if you've got
very
curly hair,
nourishing.
like
Yeah.
I know I've got wavy hair, not curly, but even that, like
Just
when you wash it,
yeah.
put something like that through it, and it just ends up being
You-
way more
yeah.
defined and
You need the
manageable.
moisture more, don't you?
Yeah,
with wavy and
exactly.
curly hair.